Hey everybody, on today's episode we're going to go into the integration of tow in TTS. We have a tab located in the TTS platform that allows you to do a couple of functions on the tow system without ever logging out. You can check inventory, you can track orders and releases, and you can also run a detailed product history report. So let's head over to the tow integration tab in TTS. The total order entry tab in TTS, we have three selections: check inventory, order report, and tracking. Check inventory basically is going to bring us to the TOE version of check inventory. And just to give you a quick demonstration, we can choose a vendor. And you have the option of choosing a specific customer and searching for a specific catalog number, search by product or description, and also must start with or any part, which would be a wildcard search. But if I do not select anything and choose check inventory, you'll get a inventory for the entire product line. And of course, we have our unit price. Looking at the color code chart legend down at the bottom, this is a base price. If there was a special pricing associated with this, it would be in yellow. And if there was a calculated a multiplier or a column price, it would show up as white. And we also have the open orders, so we can actually see what orders are associated with this particular part. And then using the next section in the total order entry tab, we can actually look up these orders. So let's do that. Let's move over to order report. And this will give you an order item detail report. So again, make some selections here. And we'll go back to January, today. This will generate an Excel workbook. And just a quick synopsis of the order item detail report. This will show you every line item on a particular order for this particular manufacturer based on that time period that we entered in. So we could have used the order number from the previous inventory screen and looked it up that way, but quick and simple way of getting an order item detail report without exiting TTS. And lastly, we have the ability to track. So tracking is something that's fairly new. That gives you the ability to track the order. So if there's tracking information added to an order, UPS, any freight carrier that you use, we can search for that information, again, without leaving TTS. So we have the option to choose a vendor and select a order number. If you read the red highlighted below here, order number would have to be a specific release. So we could search for order 2000 release 2 would be 2000-2. Also, we can choose PO, which is a wildcard search, which is kind of nice, or an order number. So we have the exact order number. I can actually just type it in here. You do not need to add the dash in the release extension to that. So let's do an example of a PO number. And again, this is going to search for all PO 32s in all vendors. Even though I have vendor selected up here, this is the OR section. So this is a totally separate search from what we show at the top. And it'll give you a table. And these headings can be clicked on. So if I wanted to see the most current order, which is the one I want to look at, I click on that, and notice PO32 is what I did a search on, so it pulls up anything that has PO32 in there. If I single click on an item, it will give me all the detailed information. So now we have the PO, we have the release number. We also have some tracking information. So in this case, we entered Fowler Express. Right now, we only have a couple of items or shippers listed. If you need to add a shipper, you contact us and we can certainly add it. Basically, this is going to give you a link to the shipper's website. So based on this tracking number, when I hit get tracking, it's going to bring us, in this case, to UPS. If this was a valid number, you'd get the tracking information. So again, without having to leave TTS, or for that matter, without having to even, open up a new tab separately and do all this information, logging in, finding your information, it automatically will do this for you very quickly. And that's it. So tow integration in TTS, three basic options that are very helpful. Um, Again, I thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.